Given the quadratic equation here, let's try and find the vertex. So let's sketch it first. When you put 4 into here, the whole thing would be 0. So you know it passes through 4. It passes through this point. When you put a negative 12, the whole thing would be 0. So negative 12. So you know the graph is going to look something like this. Our job is to find the location of this vertex. So multiply out the brackets. So the whole thing here will be k, and then x times x will be x squared, x times 12 will be 12x, and then you've got minus 4x, and then you've got minus 48. So now x merge them together, that would be positive 8. So that would be positive 8. So now complete the square on what's on the inside. So completing the square is always going to be half of this. So completing the square would be x half of this plus 4 squared. Take away the rubbish. The rubbish will be 4 times 4, which will be 16, and then carry this thing down. So I'm assuming you know how to complete the square at this stage. Single number, merge them together. That would be 64. Negative 64. Negative 64. There, you've just completed the square here. So, looking at this, if you put, looking at this, the vertex, directly above the vertex, this will be negative 4. Negative 4. Now, if you put negative 4 into here, this whole thing here would be 0. Take away 64. That would be negative 64, and then you times k, so it would jump to down here. So the coordinates for the vertex will be negative 4 across, because it's directly below the negative 4, comma. Now, if you want to find this location, put the negative 4 into here. Negative 4 plus 4 would be 0. Square it, it would be 0. Take away 64. The whole thing here would be negative 64, but then you have to times k. So the answer here would be negative 64k. So the location of the vertex will be negative 4 across and negative 64k down. Okay?